On top with Tori for today. Presido Buhari go attend ECOWAS Extraordinary Summit on Counter-Terrorism for Burkina Faso. Nigeria Presido Buhari go comot for Abuja for Saturday to go attend the one-day ECOWAS Head of State and Government Extraordinary Summit on top counter-terrorism for Ouagadougou for Burkina Faso. Then at the Economic Community of West African States, the one where we sabi as ECOWAS, sake of the katakata where they strong well as these people where they sub-region, then at this area they face on top terrorism. And at this one, I make West African leaders them call the summit to fit do better check on so many plans where them go put for ground to sabi how they want to solve this matter them. Now for the 55th ordinary section of ECOWAS Authority Head of State, the one we share for State House Abuja for June 29, 2019. Now in them take plan the summit matter where all of them want sit down put. President Buhari be understand, say if them gather put head together on top terrorism matter, it go easy well for them to win them. As they go continue to collaborate with ECOWAS member states and organizations them with the obodo to fight them. For Ouagadougou, ECOWAS leaders them go begin to plan how them go see say them fight this terrorism katakata, the one where they share for everywhere, and to make sure say better policy be dey ground to see say as them do them, they can begin they do better check on top how those plans them don't waka reach. Presido no go waka go the summit alone as he go waka go with some governors them, Governor Abubakar Bello, Governor Dapo Abiodun, Governor Okeze Ikpeazu, the one will be governor for Abia State. Now some minister wey dey on top obodo matter than a foreign matter Geoffrey Oyama sef go dey, and Minister of Defence Major General Bashir Magashi retired, himself go dey with him. And as all these people they go, na so National Security Advisor to Presido Buhari, then a Major General Babangana Mugunu, himself go waka follow Presido. Director General for National Intelligence Agency NIA Ambassador Ahmed Rufai Abubakar, himself go waka follow Presido go the summit. Nigeria Presido Buhari go waka come Abuja for Nigeria back when the summit when he behind as them finish am. Now here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top with Tori for today. As it be said to solve wahala wey dey on top terrorism for the world, it don't make Presido Buhari ready waka go Burkina Faso to go attend the summit, the one where West African leaders them go sit down put to see say all this wahala comot. And now for Burkina Faso, now in this one now you want to share. This ogbonge Tori one na dey listening to, so na T Live Media na im bring am come na can give una on top with Tori for today. And to continue to get this clear and sharp informate on top with Tori for today, make una no forget to follow, like, subscribe and comment to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV, and to follow and like we page for Facebook for T Live Media. And our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com to get ogbonge informate as it is shele for the world and for the country.